If the Supreme Court rules in the favor of the claimants,
Yeah.
your client included, what's to happen next in terms of government being able to carry out this exercise on a national scale ahead of the
There's
pending elections?
the divisions can be redrawn. There is software, there's GIS software that literally puts the location, you have the address of every voter on a map, and there's softwares that will draw it for you in a fair way. It's not very difficult, and it can be done in time for a general election if somebody wanted to do it. Now, if you want to drag your feet, you could find a million reasons not to do it as well.
One of the excuses or the reasons, if I may, is that it's a costly undertaking.
Well, there you go. You have Lord Ashcroft volunteering to bring in and assist with people to get it done.
Lord Ashcroft, in the eyes of some, is a controversial figure. As much as he may be celebrated and respected in one corner, he is reviled in another. In respect of the current claimants, does he coming on board adds or take away to the attention already being given to this matter?
Well, it's already adding with this interview attention to the matter. And what we hope to be able to do is to either support it with good legal arguments and also with the necessary evidence to show what the shortcomings of the existing rules are, that is, the extent of the malapportionment of the electoral divisions, and what are the ways of fixing it. There are a number of ways of dealing with it. And when I look at the papers, I don't think any of that is being put forward. Putting that kind of information before the court can only assist the court in arriving at a just conclusion. And that's all this is about. At the end of the day, what people think about Lord Ashcroft or what they don't think about him doesn't really matter. The voters in Belize have a problem in that the way things are set up, the people in Belize, who's a little more than 20% of the voting population, get to elect 42% of the elected representatives. That is unfair. The weight their vote carry is far more than what people in the districts, the votes of people in the districts, are worth in terms of electing representatives. The Constitution envisages that the electoral division should be more or less equally drawn, and we are to hold the authorities to that standard. From way back in 2012, after the last election, the formal report from the OS mission, the observer mission, brought this to the attention of the government and the Elections and Boundaries Commission. They've known since 2012 of the malapportionment. Nothing has been done.